Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art, where you can learn to draw anything and we make it easy, okay? So today, this video is going to be for some of our older viewers, some of our more advanced artists. We're going to do a leopard gecko today, okay? It's going to be really awesome. So make sure you guys are ready for art. Get your piece of paper or something to draw on. Make sure you have a pencil. Make sure you have a marker or something to outline with. And then make sure you have your colored pencils or any sort of colors you want, markers, anything you want to color with. Today, I'm going to be using some browns, yellows, and some grays and whites for my gecko. I'm going to make it kind of realistic today. So if you guys want to color yours that way, great. So let's get started. We're going to have our gecko facing on our paper this way. So let's start with our head. And we're going to make kind of like a football shape here for the gecko's head. So we're going to kind of draw a line, curved line down and up, kind of like that. And then this is his nose, so it's going to be kind of rounded. And then we're going to finish our football shape at the top, like that. And at the ends, we're going to kind of make these little curves. So this is where his feet are going to come out, and this is like his neck. Okay, so this first foot down here we're going to start with, we're going to kind of have his elbow be right here, so kind of like a down and to the right. Keep that line going, and then we'll start curving up and out around for his toes. Now geckos, they have those sticky toes, right? So they can climb on walls and catch bugs at night, so they have those fat fingers. So let's make sure we do that. Okay, so our fingers are going to be kind of fat at the ends, like that. We're going to do 5 of them. And we're going to go around this hand. Okay, so if you have to turn your paper, I like to do that. 3, 4, 1 more here, 5. We're just going to come in and then follow that hand back. And make his elbow in right there. Okay, looks pretty good. Alright, let's do his other hand here. So this one's reaching up, so this one will be kind of back. So let's do a line down. And then we'll do his fingers here again, so 5 fingers. There we go, a little elbow, and then to his stomach. Great. Alright guys, so let's do his belly here. We're going to do a nice curved line for his belly. That. Doesn't matter how you do it, it looks pretty good like that. We're going to do his back foot. So his back foot, again, his thigh coming down. And then we're going to turn it up to his foot. And do his toes here. 1, 2, 4, 5. And then we're going to back up to his thigh. Alright, let's do this top part here. So we'll bring his body down, kind of like a curve like we did at the bottom. And we're going to curve up for his leg this time. This one's down, this one's going to go up. Just give him his little knee, which will curve it. And then around for his feet. So 5 feet again, or 5 toes. Follow that line back up into his knee and then back to his tail. So this end part here is going to be his tail. So I don't have much room to put my tail anywhere else, so I'm going to have my tail kind of come up and around. You guys can do yours any way you want. Okay, so I'm gonna have a curved line up. I have a little at the end there, kind of give him some flair. All right, that looks pretty good. Nice. Okay, so I actually don't like this toe, so I'm gonna redo this toe real quick. Maybe I'll fast forward through this. Okay, so I think we got that. I had to fix some of these. They were just bothering me. But I think they look a lot better now. Okay, so let's finish this guy up. Just give him a couple eyes. We'll put an eye here. They actually have really round looking eyes. And they have that slit for kind of an iris. And then this other eye, I think I'm gonna just kind of put it over here like it's sort of peeking out. And then his two nostrils. So he's kind of tilting his head a little bit. So we'll give some of those headlines here. So we'll do like a line here, curved down, and this one kind of comes back. There we go. Kind of show that thick head. Maybe a little line here for his eyelid. Okay. And maybe like a center line, kind of just to kind of show his center of his back here. That might help us shading later too. Just kind of like that. Maybe a little bit here. Yeah, something like this. Cool. All right, let's give them some toenails. They do have little claws. So I'm going to quickly fast forward through that. We'll go through, get them all claws. And then might as well just outline after that, and then we'll color and come back. All right, so happy coloring, guys. All right, guys, I think we're all finished coloring up our gecko. I'm pretty happy how it came out. I think it looks awesome. It definitely looks realistic, like you could blend in somewhere for sure. And I hope you guys' gecko came out really good too. I hope it came out better than mine. And maybe you chose to use some more brighter colors, some crazy colors, or maybe he's blending into a background scene. That would be really cool. I hope you guys had a great time today. Remember to subscribe and like the channel for all the newest drawings so you can draw all the time. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and please take it easy.